पोषण के 5 सूत्र। Point 1. First golden 1000 days. The child's physical and mental development is rapid during the first 1000 days, which includes period of pregnancy and 2 years post childbirth. During this period, good health, adequate nutrition, a loving and stress-free environment, and responsive care will help children realize their full development potential. Mother and child require optimal nutrition, care, love, and support during this period. Details of 1000 days is given here. Point 2. Nutrient-rich foods. All age groups, including children from 6 months of age, need to consume a variety of nutritious food in adequate quantities. These include various types of foods like roti, rice, and yellow and black pulses, green leafy vegetables such as spinach, fenugreek, mustard, etc., beets, carrots, yellow-orange fruits such as mango and ripe papaya. If non-vegetarian, consume eggs, meat, and fish. Include milk, milk products, and nuts in the diet. Consume take home ration which is distributed at Anganwadi centers. When the child completes 6 months, in addition to breast milk, give the child mashed and semi-solid complementary food prepared at home such as pumpkins, gourds, carrots, spinach, and pulses. And if non-vegetarian, add eggs, fish, meat. Add 1 spoon of ghee, oil, butter to the child's food. Give the child food with less salt, less sugar, and less spices. Introduce one food item at a time and gradually increase the diversity of food, include different flavors, textures, and colors to make the child's food more enjoyable. Do not give food such as biscuits, chips, savory snacks, and juices to the child, as these do not give adequate nutrition to them. Point 3. Anemia. To prevent anemia, consume iron rich foods such as pulses, green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, mustard, etc., fruits, milk, curd, paneer, and if non vegetarian, then eggs, meat, and fish to build a solid body and smart mind. Add lemon, amla, guava, and similar citric foods to the diet, which help in absorption of iron. In addition, take prescribed iron supplements. 1 ml of IFA syrup twice a week to children of age 6 to 59 months. 1 pink IFA tablet every week to children 5 to 9 years of age. 1 blue IFA tablet every week to adolescents 10 to 19 years. One red IFA tablet daily starting from the fourth month of one for 180 days to pregnant women. One red tablet daily after delivery for 180 days to lactating mothers. Take prescribed dosage of albendazole tablets for deworming. Perform umbilical cord clamping after 3 minutes of birth to improve iron stores in newborn in the first month of life. Screening and testing of anemia is important in all age groups so that appropriate treatment may be initiated as per hemoglobin level of the individual. Point 4. Diarrhea. Maintain personal hygiene, home hygiene, food hygiene, and consume safe drinking water to prevent diarrhea. Mothers should only give breast milk to child up to 6 months. Any other food, even water, can cause diarrhea in children of 0 to 6 months. In case of diarrhea, mother should not stop breastfeeding and continue more frequent breastfeeding. To renew the body nutrients, more food then regular should be given to children above 6 months along with breastfeeding for rapid recovery. ORS and extra fluids should be given to a child immediately at the onset of diarrhea and continued till diarrhea stops. Zinc should be given for 14 days to children suffering from diarrhea, even if diarrhea stops. Point 5. Hygiene and sanitation. Always consume safe drinking water stored in a covered container, kept at an elevated place, and taken with a ladle. Always ensure cleanliness. Wash hands with soap before cooking food, after defecation, before feeding a child, and after cleaning a child's stool. Wash the child's hands before feeding the child. Always use the toilet. Adolescent girls and women should practice personal hygiene during menstruation.